Hello, today I'm going to bring a personal passion of mine, tiles. I'm from Portugal and we have a lot of them around here, and for this video I've decided to take on a niche inside the tile world, the advertising tile. This is already an old practice and most of them are about products already discontinued. However, this one was en route towards another destination of mine, and since I was passing there I've stopped to take a few photos and see what I could get from it. As you can see, the building itself it's almost collapsing, in the bad shape, so were the tiles, and I thought, well, it could be cool to try to give a little bit of life to this and revive the memory around advertising tiles. So I've captured 40 something photos of it, reconstructed on Zephyr and brought the final texture to Photoshop. Since I got already a nice and clean take on the tile panel from the UV, I've decided to make the changes right there. If you are interested in this kind of tiles, please consider to visit the website on the description, curated by Sandra Araújo de Morim. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.